Hey everybody, welcome back to the Daily Brain Freeze. Today I want to share a super short micro lesson on how exercise impacts our brain. And not just in the 10-minute window after we train, but long term. I think a lot of us are familiar with this thing called the runner's high, right? We do a workout, we feel awesome for a little while, and it seems like a transient thing. When we actually understand what's happening, it's pretty cool because exercise is producing endocannabinoids, which are a chemical in our brain that make us feel pretty good. It's also increasing serotonin, it's also increasing dopamine, and these are neurochemicals involved in satisfaction, in motivation, and in drive. So it makes sense that I do a workout and for a short window I feel awesome. The cooler finding is that exercise remodels and changes the brain fundamentally and structurally if we exercise regularly. And it does that by not just elevating these chemicals, but by creating new receptor sites for the chemicals to land. Exercise actually increases the number of dopamine receptors. So when we understand our own brain to a degree, we can start to put the steps in action to elevating our mood systemically, to feeling more focused systemically, and to feeling more drive. It's like we do a workout and that gives us the energy, it gives us the motivation, it creates the change that allows us to create the change that we want to see by providing an environment neurologically where I wake up tomorrow and I feel a little more driven, just a little bit, a little more motivated, a little more excited to go work out again and kick off the process. Exercise doesn't just build our muscles, it fundamentally changes our brain. And that is a powerful thing, especially because we are the species that can change our brain on purpose. It can upgrade our biology on purpose. I think the coolest lessons and the most powerful lessons we can learn right now in 2023 at this sort of revolution in health and fitness education are the lessons that we learn about ourselves and that we share with one another. And the whole goal of this video series is to learn a lesson and pass it on.